Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we have done exercise 3.2 till question number 2. Now, question number 3, check the consistent or inconsistent nature of the equation by comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Now, first part is 3x plus 2y equal to 5, which can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Second is 2x minus 3y equal to 7, which can be written as 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now what are a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2? a1, a2 are the coefficients of x in both the equations. So what is a1? 3, a2, 2. What is b1? 2, b2, minus 3. What is c1? Minus 5. What is c2? Minus 5. Minus 7, sorry. Now first I will take out the value of a1 upon a2. The a1 upon a2 will be 3 upon 2. Similarly, b1 upon b2 will be 2 upon minus 3. So when we check a1 upon a2, 3 upon 2 is not equal to minus 2 upon 3, na? So we will say the equation are consistent. So this is the condition for consistent equation a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So if the ratios are not equal, we will say equation is consistent or we will have a unique solution. Now similarly, the second part is this, which I have written in this form. Again, a1 upon a2 is values coming 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 value is again 1 by 2 and c1 upon c2 is 8 upon 9. Now in this a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, they are equal. This is half, this is half. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So this is the condition for inconsistent solution. What is the condition for inconsistent solution? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So the equation is inconsistent. Now in case all the ratios come equal, a1 upon a2, only three possibilities are there, na? b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. In that case, we will say equation is consistent with many solutions. So these are the three conditions. This is a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Equation is consistent with unique solution. Only one solution will come. This a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Equation is inconsistent, or you can say no solution of such equation is possible. And third condition, if all the ratios are equal, then equation is consistent but with many solution. Consistent with many solution.